In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an HSBC business account for non-UK residents. HSBC UK does allow non-UK residents to open a business account, but there are a few conditions. So you'll typically need to have a UK registered business, a UK business address, and a UK-based director or representative. So since I don't have an access in HSBC, I'll explain how will you open an account in here. So before applying, make sure you have the following. So make sure you prepare your certificate of incorporations from companies' houses, a business plan for expected revenue activity, a proof of business address in UK, and a ID documents for all company directors and significant shareholders. So you can try applying online through HSBC's business banking sites or through HSBC Kinetic. So if your company fits their criteria, if you're not eligible online, you'll need to book an appointment by phone or in a branch. So HSBC might schedule a video or in-person verification call, so they'll want to understand your business activity, your connection to the UK, and how the account will be used. So once submitted, your application may take a few days to couple of weeks to process, especially if you're applying for a overseas. And if approved, you'll gain access to online banking, a UK business account, and the tools to help manage international operations. Since you're not a UK resident, so approval isn't guaranteed. HSBC follows strict anti-money laundering rules, and you may be referred to a specialist or rejected if documents are incomplete. So yes, non-UK residents can open business an account with HSBC, but make sure your business has a real UK presence and all the required documents. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.